Hi, I'm Mercedes de la Zerda.
And my name's Nick Preston. We are both final years in UBC's BFA in Acting program.
And we're in this year's production of The Seagull. Right now you're about to watch a clip with Natasha, and she plays Nina, a young country girl who's been observing the life of the rich and famous, and she's come to realize that I think that they're just like the rest of us.
Indeed. Come enjoy.
How curious it is to see a famous actress crying over such a little thing. And how strange it is to see a famous writer so loved by the public, with articles about him in all the papers, his photograph for sale, his work translated into so many foreign languages, spending his whole day fishing and delighted if he catches 2 chub. I thought famous people would be proud and distant, that they despised ordinary mortals and sought fame and popularity only to revenge themselves on people for putting rank and birth and wealth above merit. But here they are, crying and fishing, playing cards and getting cross, just like the rest of us. The Seagull by Anton Chekhov, translated by Peter Gill and directed by Kathleen Duborg, starts next Thursday, January 23rd, and runs until February 8th. See you there.